keeping my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says.
And guess what? The trip just started. I'm so excited. It's me and Sarah. We out. Dudley and Jess, we all got separated, but we're gonna be reunited again, and it's gonna feel so good. Period.
Ain't no problem.
Facts. But you know, I got global entry that comes with TSA pre-check, and then Sarah got Clear Plus.
I got pre-check.
So, well, yeah. But regardless, we're not waiting in them long lines. I'm sorry. See you on the flip side. I'm Jess and Dudley. And here's Sarah again. So we bought the board. We almost missed it because they on 2nd, we on 6th. So we on the plane, y'all. For Dudley, Sarah. We're on the plane. Salvador. We're getting the bags now and heading to the car, get straight to the Airbnb to go check that out. To go get some stuff because you know we hungry. Go get some water and stuff like that we need. Everything that they have here in the grocery store, like as I said, is in American dollars, and it's pretty cool. Like, you know, I don't really see that often. Like it really be like in their money, so it's pretty, you know, interesting to me per se. But we're just getting some groceries and stuff before going out to eat, just so that we have something at the Airbnb because we don't have nothing, honestly. So we're getting like snacks, we're getting like water, any type of drinks. Like I don't drink soda personally because it breaks my face out. So I got like juice and, you know, other things. Ramen noodles for the nights we be drunk or stuff like that. Oh, your mama said to call her.
Stop vlogging.
So yeah, we got haters in the back. Not him, but Dutch. Now we have game night. Red team. Gonna do tic-tac-toe. Getting ready for game night. And y'all already know red team, as y'all can see, we gonna eat them up. Period. We gonna eat yellow team up. That's me, Alexia, and who else in red team? Nina. First of all, red team about to eat. He always wanna be in the camera. He yellow team. He the ops right now. Why you trying to be in my motion picture? Crazy 3 for 3. Oh, look at that cups. Sad. Sad. Look at that shit. Sad.
Tony's leading us.
Yeah, and I wish I recorded it 3 for 3. I really like that. Doing lose. But we had lost like another game. No, we can take that too. Okay.
No, stack and cup palms.
Yeah, we lost that one. The very next morning, it's Thursday, and I'm not gonna lie, this is how it's looking right now. It's pouring, but yeah, we're still gonna make the most of it. So for right now, instead of doing the volcano hike, because it's heavy rain, we're just gonna go to Cafe Albania. So we're gonna switch the days back again because of that reason. So now we're gonna go do the bike zip line. We're gonna go do I always want to be in the camera. The bike zip line, the maze, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna try to take y'all with me and put y'all like in a plastic bag or something. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all like a view of like all of this rain. It's beautiful, but it's crazy. I really feel like I'm in the Amazon rainforest right now, but I'm still having a good time. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, I'm just blessed to be here. There's some people who have not been here, who haven't had the opportunity to travel here. So I'm just blessed to be able to be in another country for my birthday, regardless of the weather. Like, that's just the type of person I be. I just be thankful regardless of the circumstances. Like, there was a point in my life where I probably would have been boo-hoo crying, like, no, this is the worst trip. But I've learned, like, you know, as you age, you just gotta appreciate things even when it's not what you expected or wanted to be. You feel me? Just find the beauty in everything. And even the hardest situations, you can learn something good. You know, something positive that can come out of it. So that's the type of timing I be on. So yeah, you know what Glorilla say? Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love them all. Period. So yeah, let me go get ready. And shout out to Mina because she made us a bomb breakfast of Haitian eggs, blueberry and vanilla waffles, bacon and toast. It was good. We ate it up. So yeah, I'm about to go get ready now. Sweet little picture. Just got like a little two-piece swim with like a water shoe. Got his glasses and the
I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turn,
new. We're getting gas out the country. I'm so excited. I'm like, big girl milestones. They're pumping the gas for us. Look at us. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Got your body at the Titan T. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You feel like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say.
Hey, because it starts to shake like bounce.
Yeah, it was about to. We saw y'all bouncing.
And I was like,
I know you know.
okay, so Cafe Albania, it was fun. We couldn't do the rainbow side, but it was definitely a vibe. I definitely conquered my fear of heights because that drug, nothing to play with. But now we gotta go do ATV. Look at me now. We gotta go do some ATV riding right now for like 45 minutes. So see y'all soon in the next clip.
Everybody got me. Oh, God. Them body drive me crazy. Them body need a license fee.
Look at our ATV. It's raining so hard, y'all. So we outside with it.
Dance and tease. She just wanna 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 dance and tease.
I have great balance. Hello. Hello, mates. So, we're currently just walking in a bunch of trees right now. I'm out of breath because I was just running to be up here. But yeah. ATV riding in the rain. I've been fun so far. I like it. So yeah, what you had to say, sis?
We're back at it again, doing our adventurous stuff.
Facts. Don't
Last
know
time
where we going.
It was me and Tony and Monkeyland by ourselves. We are now walking through the forest. Oh yeah, it was me and her in Monkeyland. We had us a ton.
No, we was really cutting up out there. And then people country.
The monkeys almost took out Tony's phone, but now we're walking through the forest with our friends.
Facts. Enjoying ourselves,
And,
pretty much.
You know all those adventure shows? It's the adventures of
Oh shit, that's lit.
Tony and Oxia. I mean y'all too, but like we really be exploring when we go out the country.
Yeah. It's really outside. If it be in the rain, I loved it.
The rain don't stop anything. Actually,
No,
makes
it
a
made
little
it
bit more-
better.
Yeah, the experience. Oh shit.
Like the splash, cause we done ATV, like, but it's been like dry weather.
Dry, rocky, like.
So with the rain, it's like all the
powder.
dirt. Yeah. Look at my foot.
And then we did the dune buggies in the mud, but it was still like hot out.
Damn.
And now we're ATV and dune buggy driving in the.
Y'all, this view that we're coming up upon is so nice. It is nice.
And on today's forecast, it's foggy. You can only see about 50 feet in front.
You can't see nothing. All you see is
About 50 feet. I see a house roof, and that's it, y'all. But it's beautiful.
And lots of trees.
Yeah.
We did it, y'all. We made it.
Like we climbed Mount Everest or something.
Hey, you know the vibes. You know what time it is. We out here in the
We got
rainforest.
DJ Duds.
We out here in the rainforest. You know what I'm saying? A1 since day one.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy.
Okay, so ATV and all that was fun. We fell asleep on the way back, so that's our main vlog. But now we at the gas station. They probably looking like, why this girl got on these short ass shorts? I ain't gonna lie. These look, oh, those are like the little Debbie cakes. Or I ain't see. They got the Maria cookies. If you know, you know. I'm trying to see what else they got, but I don't eat none of this stuff. I don't snack. Fact about me, I don't snack. I rarely eat candy, and then I don't really like eat chips in that often. So like trying to find something right now to eat is kind of hard. Like for some snacks, like I'll eat like roaches, fruit snacks, but not even all the time. These used to bust as a kid. I don't care. Ooh, there's something. What? Oh nah, these bugs different. Like when you go out the country, they gonna have Takis. That's their main thing. Like they love them some Takis, and they gonna have Lay's of course. Like when we went to Mexico, I ain't gonna lie, we were looking at all the chips like, dang, they have what we had. Like very like amused. He was just talking about us getting some noodles, and look what's in his hand, some noodles. What you gotta say for yourself?
Salvador.
You don't even know what this say. The man talking about hot El Salvador.
I thought he said Salvador.
No. Alright, y'all. So I just started taking a nap, and I got ready. Just ready to go out tonight. It's the first night that we're going out in El Salvador. I'm putting my goals in. So yeah, we outside. We got a slight fit check. But yeah, we're about to head out. I think it's like 45 minutes away from our Airbnb, so that's where we're about to head out. We're just waiting for everybody else to finish getting ready and just go outside, see what the vibes are. You know, we did like kind of like no makeup in a sense, because it's kind of like, you know, I just don't feel like tonight. I'm gonna put on makeup tomorrow, and then the day we have brunch, I'll probably do like some light beat too. But yeah, not too much time. What's up, y'all? It's the next morning. Kind of just so tired last night. I went to sleep. It's not time to wake people up. We got stuff to do. People to sleep. Yeah, it was just because get your book over.
Taking you a little minute.
No, because your thing keep falling. What is going on here?
A little minute.
We're gonna go to Betto's to go eat for breakfast. And then after that, maybe try to go to the city center. And then Nawi Beach House. So they go to Nawi Beach House by 3. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Then coming back after Nawi and then going out for the birthday dinner tonight. So stay tuned for that. But we're gonna get up and do volcano hike. It's not really raining right now, so we probably could have done it today, but we may aim for tomorrow and skip brunch tomorrow to do the volcano hike, because tomorrow was like the most promising day for the volcano hike with less rain. But honestly, y'all can kind of see the ocean today, like further back, because when it's raining, you know, you can't really see past like a certain distance. So I'm about to go get ready for brunch. I'm trying to debate between these two outfits. I have like a lumber and I have a 2-piece yellow set. I'm not sure which one I want to do, but regardless, the girl's gonna look better. So me and Josh, we're gonna go to Walmart real quick to grab some water, because we running out of water, but we don't have time, honestly. So we're stopping at a gas station a little tips ago. We don't have much. So the goal is to go to Beddoes. They open in 30 minutes. My goal is to be there when they open so that they can service us. We can get in and out. You get what I'm saying? Y'all with me? Y'all with me if y'all with me. But yeah, like, that's my goal. So yeah, and in this jug I have water and liquid IV to hydrate and whatnot. Cause girl, I had 2 lemon drop shots and then 2 margaritas today. Last night, and then I went to bed, like, so I need to hydrate. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Josh to come back out. So now I'm dressed for brunch. I went with like a mixture of both like gold and like silver accessories today. I'm wearing yellow. That's just for brunch though, like breakfast brunch. And then I'm gonna be wearing blue for Nawi. So right now I'm just chilling. I'm trying to figure out what this noise is. Like, I don't know if that's the wave or if that's like somebody making a sound. I don't know. But I don't like that. I'm not with that. But yeah, I'm taking y'all along with me. Done charged up all the batteries and brought my portable charger, because y'all gonna enjoy the vibes. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it's so peaceful out here. When I get rich, not if, but when I get rich, I promise, like, I'm gonna get a beach house somewhere. Not like right on the beach, but like, this is nice, cause I'm gonna show y'all. Setup is like, even if flooding were to occur, like, it's at such an incline that I don't even think the water would rise. It would have to be significant flooding for it to even touch a house like this. And that's what I really love about this place. Like, it's really on an incline, and then it goes down a little bit, and then it goes up another incline when you come out. But yeah, this is just the vibe. This is another house here, and then that's our house at the bottom here, and then that's the neighbors where the other pool is. But like, the vibes, the views, 10 out of 10. Like, I love this place. The only thing that I don't like about this place is really that my bedroom's right here, and you can literally have full access onto my yard. But I guess that's why they have the security at the front, to ensure like that doesn't happen. And the garbage is right there too, which is convenient. But yeah, that's just the views and the vibe. Look at homie able to feel herself. But yeah.
I know. Self-control is never.
All animals are crazy. So he a bird, like a bird. Now watch this like flying over here for real. Bro. He look like he ready to fight.
Maybe cocking his head to the side.
How you going, vegan, but still vegan? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't go cheap. I see it back in the service. Remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip. We ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell her go get it. I'm always moving too fast. The feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Dashing out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas. You know, a different environment.
I like to drink Amina because she gets it down in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes and 29. 3 minutes and 20. The food at Beddoes was a 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So this is the fit for Nawi Beach House. I'm a little bloated right now, but no problem. Bikini action.
I know. But you got desires. Shorty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets, friends don't feel safe. Where did your friends all go?
On the horse with it, and now we a vibe though. That's it.
I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja vu.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for.
Daddy, you missed the whole show.
No, I was watching. That's why I came. Oh, really? You okay, boo? Nah, I didn't see you fall.
In this dress, bitch.
Yeah.
I thought I could make it, but you know I'm short. My legs said she took a tumble. Sarah about to do it right now. Look. And then my back.
Feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down.
Alright, so we're leaving Nawi Beach House now. It was 10 out of 10. Our server was nice. We met some nice people. Don't even know where they're from. But I had a good time. I enjoyed it. They gave me like cheesecake and stuff like that. It was definitely a vibe. So now we're about to go home, get ready for dinner tonight. And yeah, 10 out of 10. I'm having fun. Hey dinner. That's Mia. We're about to head to our dinner reservation that we're gonna be late for because it's like 45 minutes away and it's 8:55 and we're gonna need to be there by 9:30. I think we're gonna get there on time. I don't know, we're gonna see. But I'm about to go downstairs to go get ready now. Not get ready, but you know, and it is 9:03, y'all. So let's see how this goes. YOLO. Currently 9:46 and we're heading to Bruno's. Y'all see the first one going up. Everybody's still about to
Cute.
Yeah.
Tony's dress is eating. Mine
This is cute.
It's very easy.
Yeah.
A breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Y'all, we were supposed to go out last night, but we didn't. And that's okay, because I caught up on some much needed sleep. Honestly, your girl wasn't feeling good. Like, not like feeling bad, but I had to stop at a pharmacy and go pick up some medicine yesterday. My tummy was hurting. Not like that type of hurting, like cramping. So, but yeah. Now I'm just putting on sunscreen. I just did a whole face routine because my face started to break out just like a little bit on the side because we were drinking Casamigos, and I don't know if y'all know, but Casamigos has like a lot of sugar, and like I said, sugar breaks my face out, which is why like I don't be eating candy. I don't be drinking soda because it breaks my face out because I'm not used to it anymore. So shout out to Sarah for giving me some of her skincare products because I normally just use the Indian clay mask when my face starts to break out, and it's chef's kiss. But that's just not the case. I don't have that with me right now because I didn't anticipate this. But shout out to Sarah because it looked way worse last night. I'm not gonna lie to you, like my face was like inflamed on this side. Now it's flat. I just have redness here. Because I don't be like me. I tried to pop it and it wouldn't pop. And then it's coming back for revenge today. But we're going to put some concealer on that and act like nothing ain't ever happened. Yeah, and we didn't do the volcano hike this morning because last time we went to dinner, some guys that my homegirl was talking to was basically like, oh yeah, they had that book, they had a guide and everything. We was gonna thug it out. We wasn't gonna do nothing with the guide. We was gonna meet the guy elsewhere for cheaper, you did? Because they were trying to charge us $190. I'm about saving money, it's about saving my coins. I'm like, $190 per person? Yeah, no, miss me with it. But yeah, he was just saying his guy was like, I don't suggest us doing the hike because, you know, with all the flooding and the heavy rains that was happening early in the week, said like 11 people or something like that died on the landslide, from landslides going up the volcano. And we're not doing that. We value our lives, we value literally life. We're not doing that. Safety first on trips. So yeah, so we're not doing the volcano hike, but instead I think we're gonna do like a pool day, maybe the city center, and then we're gonna go to the Santa Ana Springs today for sure. So yeah, my first bottomless brunch. So I'll be back after I put my face together and yeah, show y'all what it is. This is the outfit that my sister made me. It's real cute, love it. This is the bag.
No lame shit, you know what I'm saying?
You got a lot, yeah.
I've been vlogging this whole time.
Who that white? Who goddamn white baby is that? Who goddamn white baby is that?
White. I was white too, I'll show you. You see, I'm the opposite. I came out midnight. Because we don't want the 3 floors left.
Damn, not playing no games, y'all. This is the fit for the pool today. This would have been cute for the springs too.
Okay. That's that answer. Why your pants so down?
On you, that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. You give me a really good feeling.
Hey, then we finna get that motherfucking grade while we twerking that motherfucking ass.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
What's up, y'all? So tonight is the last night at the Airbnb. I just finished packing up. Half the group, well, majority of the group, went to go get food. Everybody else that's here, was my cousin, Nina, and Danielle. We're just packing and just chilling. I hit my knee earlier before we went out to like the springs and stuff. So I'm icing it now because it does hurt right now, and I'm gonna put my knee brace on tomorrow, going to the airport. But yeah, we didn't go to the club tonight. Another night that I go into the club. Not really upset about it per se, because like I said, one major factor, my knee hurts. 2, we only ate once today, and that was at brunch earlier today. 3, a lot of people didn't get packed up yet and whatnot, and it's just like you have to be out of the Airbnb by I think like 11. Our flights are like at 12, some people at 1, right? But it's like an hour and some change away from the airport, so you know it's a whole bunch of factors and things. We gotta gas the car, return the car. It's a whole process. So it's just like, to me, I'm just like, we go out, we have fun, we get drunk, we lit, we turn, you know, when we come back, we might oversleep. If we oversleep, then we miss out on a lot of things, and I need to get my pupusa before I think that's top on my list. But yeah, I'm just icing my leg right now. But I'm gonna keep this on for 15 minutes. My cousin talking about shots. I'm like, no shots. I'm tired. Just want to go to sleep at this point. Overall, I'm having like a really great time here in El Salvador. I love it. Everybody's so nice. The girls and the people that I've been meeting here have been so nice. They've been a vibe. Like, I've been having the time of my life. You feel me? I feel like, I don't know, I was telling people, like, I chose the color green for my birthday this year because I just feel like, I don't know, first of all, I get money, period. But it's like so calming, so zen, and it's just like, you know, that's what I'm going for. Like, yeah, I like to have fun, I like to be turned and all that stuff, but I'm more like in my chill area, like I'm vibing, you feel me? So yeah, I'm just gonna ice it and vibe here for a little while. Here's another point of view of my knee. It hurts. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it does hurt. Like, especially with this ice on it right now. But then I'm gonna put my knee brace on it as soon as it's done being iced. We're walking to the beach. Good morning, y'all. Had the most amazing sleep last night. And now we out here going down the incline. What's up? Oh, they got hella rocks out here. Hey, that's a little drop. Thank you.
That's exactly why. That happened to me yesterday.
Who white baby is that? That's you? You got baby. Ooh, they fight.
Are you
that ain't your baby. Are you the daddy? Vacations, more travel with my dog. I love her. POP, hold it down.
It's the thought that counts.
And then survive, you know, your activity. We survived to next year, another theme. I don't know what yet, but first group just left. And then now we about to leave. We just packed up the car. We're cleaning. It is hot, but I had a good birthday. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, I've been having fun. I wish we went out, but honestly, I've been needing rest. I've been doing homework non-stop. So, I mean, hey, but I really be thinking that one day I'm gonna move to the islands and just, you know, vibe out here. Cause these are views that I just don't get tired of. Like, I could wake up to this every day and be happy with my life. Just wait on it, just wait on it. Big things are come, watch. Because I surprise myself most times too. Now we're about to head to some city center. I'm gonna go get some food finally. And yeah, we're gonna head to the airport. Our flight has been delayed, like I think once or twice. So we'll see how that goes.
Now everybody go to breakfast.
We just made it to TSA. Get that pre-check, because it even works in El Salvador. I'm trying to tell you. We have to take off our shoes or nothing, because that's rule number 1. Our feet don't touch the ground. But yeah, about to go get some food and use the bathroom now. To the checkpoint, we had got some food. The chicharrones was actually really good. I had it for the first time, I believe, in DR. Loved it. I just wish they had some pickles. If you know, you know. But we're about to board our plane, and just look at all the people outside waiting for their cars, just arriving, things like that. Wendy's in the background. But yeah, I had a good birthday trip. We're about to board. I'm happy because I was hungry. But yeah. We did it. No, we survived. We did it. There goes Sarah.
We got bumps, we got scrapes, someone gotta go to the hospital, someone gotta go to the chiropractor, someone gotta go to what else Sarah said?
That's so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like.
Right now, I just got split up from the group because I have global entry. Sarah's enrolling into global entry now. So now I'm just gonna go take care of some of our bags and whatnot. So that's exactly what I'm doing. It was real crowded at the airport today. I wasn't thinking like it would be that many people, but yeah, finally approached our carousel. So let me go find everybody's bags. Me and Sarah are right now. Y'all wanna guess it?
Dun dun dun!
Urgent care. I know you're wondering how we ended up here. Well, a couple things. So after the pool, before we got on the pool, I fell and I hit my knee, so it hurts a little bit. So I'm wondering if I should get checked or not. And then this one, tell your story.
So I was asked by Danielle to go get the brush to clean the pool. It's like those metal rods to clean a pool, and when I went to go pick it up, I got stabbed in my hand by one of the bristles. So I need a tetanus shot.
Yep, so that's why we're here right now. You know, we just gotta love a trip. If you go out the country and whatnot, I do suggest y'all, like, you know, renting a car and stuff, but
make sure it's big enough.
That's key word 1. And then 2, please watch the roads. Like, one of my homegirls was driving, y'all, and I'm in the middle row, in middle seat. I'm looking, my other homegirl, like in the front row, passenger seat. All 3 of us looking. Bro, the speed bump blended into the ground. Like, it was gray, the ground was gray. We flew, like, I literally flew in the air. My cousin had to grab me. I'm like, oh, now I see how people fly out of cars. But it was raining so crazy the first time. You couldn't see anything in front of you.
Boulders in the road.
No, literally whole landslides.
Trees.
It was crazy. It felt like Survivor for real. I picked the theme right.
This year. Sure did.
I did. It was so fun. Met some girls, don't know where they from, but we seen them twice. We saw them at the Springs and we saw them at Nawi. Don't know their names, don't know nothing. Met some lady that was talking to me at the beach this morning. She's from Boston. Like, everybody was just so sweet. Like, I see why people move out there. It's beautiful. But do you have your passport?
America.
No, because we've been singing that like crazy all trip.
I just want to say, I shook that ass till I couldn't shake it no more.
She understood the assignment. Me and Sarah right across from each other, so we just moved a little curtain This is real crazy. This is really Survivor. Like, this is crazy. Hey, what's up, guys? So we left the hospital. We just bruised. That's it. We could have just stayed our bus home.